Hey everyone, I hope all are well, and in this video I'm gonna break down what's going on market and how we can plan the trades according to this market. If we see in daily trend pair, market is trying to go downside, okay, and for our we can see these are the liquidity. I have been marked this zone. These are all liquidity spendings. This liquidity is done right now, and for our we can see market is trying to retrace, okay. In higher trend pair it retraced, and in lower trend pair we can see this is making higher highs in shorter term frame. So these are all liquidity that is pending. So what you can do now, right now, for you have to if you want to go for a long side trend, you have to wait for breakout this zone and like this, and you can plan for these are the target. These are gonna be the targets. So in 15 minutes we can see these are all the zone, okay. So you have to wait for breakout this zone or holding back, like I said. You have to wait for candle closure above this zone, and then retracement, little bit of retracement for the recent demand zone. Then you can plan for upside, like these are gonna be the like 104, 115, and these zones, like I would like to say these are gonna be the zone. These zones are gonna be the target for your long side trend, and if you want to go downside you have to wait for that too, okay. So you can see this is you have to break out this zone, then you can plan like this, and also you can plan from here also, okay. If this come to these zones, then do some retracement, then go downside and hunt these all liquidities of downside, okay. For today, this is for BTC. Let's talk about what's going on Ethereum. In Ethereum, let me show you. In daily term we can say this liquidity sweeping is done. So Ethereum is rely on BTC. Whatever BTC is doing, Ethereum actually copy this. So what you can do right now, these are all liquidities in downside as like BTC. These are all liquidities are pending. In 1 hour we can say market is trying to go downside, okay. So the same as BTC right now. This is so what you can do in right now you have to wait for go. If it's already broke these zones and like trying to go upside, okay. If it comes like in 15 minutes, we can see you will do some retracement, go upside and target these levels. If it retraces to somehow demand zone in lower time frame, then go upside for if you can't capture these zones, then go downside from here, lower highs formation, and go downside and hunt these liquidities, all this downside, okay. This is for Ethereum right now as like BTC. In gold, what you can do right now, in 4 hour we can see, okay, gold is trying to go upside. Gold is always trying to go upside, okay. So in 1 hour we can see market is going upside. In 30-minute time frame we can see trying to break these zones right now. Okay, if market comes to this zone and hold these zones, okay, hold these zone, liquidity sweep like this type, like if it's come like this, do some little bit of retracement in shorter time frame, then go upside. And if it's not happen, you have to wait for sweeping these all liquidities, then go upside. This is for gold right now, okay. Now let's talk about US oil. What's going on US oil? Let me remove all these things, okay. In daily term here we can see market is at creating a pattern. Okay, in 4 hour we can see these are actually levels. I already marked these zones. Okay, this is 4 hour levels. These zones, this zone. If I zoom out, let me show you. These are all zones. Okay, this is also a zone. Market is trying to go upside from this zone. I already marked. Okay, so what we can do right now, you have to wait for 1 hour like this. I already marked. If market went upside, do some retracement, then go upside and hunt these all liquidities in upside, but you have to confirm. Okay, these are all liquidities is upside in US oil. This is for US oil. Let's talk about ZEU. In daily time frame we can see market is trying to go upside. This is the zone, a little bit messy, but let me show you. In 4 hour time frame, yeah, it's not daily time, it's 4 hour time frame. Okay, so this is a demand zone. This is a demand zone and market is trying in, let me see what is going on 1 hour time frame. So this zone is mitigated, so market is trying to go upside from here. Well, not really. I would recommend to come this zone. This is mitigated zone but in higher time frame, so you have to wait like this. We have to wait for like this, then you can go upside and hunt all the liquidities in upside. Lots of liquidities is upside in here. You can see these are all liquidities, and if we see in higher time frame, you can see lots of liquidities upside, but you have to wait. So this is for GBP USD. Or let me show you something, one more thing. In GBP you can see, I'd not recommend, but this is also demand zone. Well, let's see what it can do. If it comes here or do some retracement and giving us up the same pattern, but you have to confirm the zone. Okay, so this is for GBP USD. Right now let's talk about xauusd. Not really. Let me show you other things. ZZ, let's talk about ZZ. What's going on ZZ? ZZ is my favorite. Lots of. Okay. Let me remove this. Okay, market is performing from this. I was waiting for this zone. If it comes to this zone, then I would wait, but now it's not going from this zone, so I would recommend it to, if it comes this zone, and do some retracement, like confirm the zone. Well, if it comes to this zone, then do some retracement, then go downside and hunt these all liquidities. These are the liquidities in ZZ. Okay, so this is for ZZ right now. Okay, and if you want to plan for long side trade, nah. This is also liquidities, lots of liquidities. Okay, these are all liquidity pools is creating, but you have to confirm the zone. This is because ZZ is also trying to go upside, because these are also upside in liquidity. So I would recommend, if it's not performing like this, then you have to wait for a little bit of retracement like this. Okay, so this is for ZZ. Now let's talk about what is in this. USD is also going well. It's trying to go from this supply zone, so in 4 hour already went up this soon. So in 1 hour, let's talk about this. If it's come to like this, then do some retracement over it. Do some retracement, okay? Then go upside and hand this all. Target this supply zone for USA. I hope you like this video. If you like, then do thumbs up and subscribe for more. Tab tak le, bye bye.